Step 7. Sharpening. Our next two buttons on the panel are Select Sharpen and Clarify. Select Sharpen will have a mask where you can paint in exactly where you want to sharpen. It's also a lot more drastic. Clarify will overall adjust the clarity and sharpness of the whole photo, but not quite as strong, and in a more selective manner. First, I choose to clarify. What it does is creates a new layer on the off chance you're working on your background layer and it can't be duplicated. Then it creates a copy of everything that's showing and uses it to set up a frequency separation. The difference between this frequency separation and the other is that it uses surface blur instead of Gaussian blur. Once it's done running frequency separation, it deletes the low layer. It may be too strong or not strong enough when it's finished, so you can easily adjust the fill or opacity. For mine, I'll choose around 45. I love it all except for what it's done to her mouth. So I'm actually going to create a white mask and use a black paintbrush to paint out where I think it made it a bit too strong. One thing you may not want to clarify is the eye wrinkles. When I'm finished, the result is subtle, but perfect for me. Now I'll move on to the Select Sharpen. Basically, this one creates a copy from the merged files. You can do this by holding Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and E. Then it's taking that merged file and setting the layer to linear light. It then selects Filter, Other, and High Pass. Then it creates a mask and inverts it so you can paint in where you want it to go. I usually go for the irises on this one. Now you can see the eyes have been brought a little more to the forefront.